In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Shopify. Whether you're adding images, documents, or other media to your online store, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, let's start from the Shopify home screen where the magic begins. Once you're logged into your Shopify account and are on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled My Store. This section acts as the control panel for your entire storefront, providing access to a variety of tools that will help you manage your business effectively. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Content section. Clicking into Content will further break down into different categories that allow you to manage and edit various components of your store. Now, focusing on our task today, you should notice an option labeled Files. This is where you'll be able to view, organize, and upload any media files you need for your Shopify site. Clicking on Files will take you to a page specifically dedicated to holding and managing all the images, videos, and documents you wish to use. Once you're within the Files section, you'll see an interface that is simple and organized, making it easy to locate what you need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. You'll notice a button labeled Upload Files prominently displayed within this section. This is your gateway to adding new content to your online store. Clicking Upload Files will prompt a file selection window to appear, giving you access to your computer or device storage. Now you can select the files you wish to upload. This can include anything from high-resolution product images to PDF documents and marketing materials. Simply choose the files you want and confirm your selection through the Upload window. As your files are uploaded, you'll see them appear in the list within the File section, where you can manage them as needed. Remember, keeping your file names simple and descriptive is always a good practice to ensure that you can easily locate them later on. This will make site management a breeze, especially as your file library grows alongside your store. Additionally, while uploading files, keep in mind the size and format requirements within Shopify to ensure they are compatible and load efficiently on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to upload any files necessary to enhance the functionality and appeal of your Shopify store. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy selling!